with Rowan Ratcliffe, celebrating her 6th birthday. Love that bow, Miss Rowan. Have a marvelous, marvelous day, kiddo.
All right, and Garrett McRoberts turning 12 years old this year. Garrett is in Neodesha. Happy birthday.
In Pittsburgh, Brinley Harrison. She is celebrating her 12th birthday. Miss Brinley, a very happy birthday to you.
And Charlie Gideon, birthday wishes going out to you from Mom, Dad, and Emma, turning 15 years old this year in Cherokee.
All right, we've got Lexi Bridges, who is celebrating her 18th birthday. Lexi, this comes with love from Dad and Mimi as Lexi celebrates in Miami.
All right. In Girard, Jade Bridges is turning 19 years old this year. Happy birthday, Jade.
Now, before I pass on this note to Holly Fritter, so Holly's turning 36. Marvelous picture right there. Happy trails from the family.
It makes sense now that they're on horses.
Well, no, I know, but it also, too, it sounds like the family's just being like, they're watching Holly ride off into the sunset. She's just turning 36. Might give a right arm to go back to 36 right now. Happy birthday, Holly. I love that picture.
Happy birthday, and happy 40th birthday going out to, oops, we skipped one.
That's John Pack.
Okay.
He's turning 66.
He'd probably like me to say happy 40th. Happy 66th to John Pack.
Uh-oh. Maybe we can go see John for lunch. Look at where he's at. Look at where he's at. John's in Thayer. So John, if you wanna go celebrate at Big Ed's, you let Tanya and I know. We'll be there for lunchtime or supper. Do they do breakfast?
I don't know. Hey, we keep throwing out that
show up
offer.
early in the.
Nobody's taken a stab and actually extending that offer to us. You know that, Michael.
John may.
We'll just keep trying.
John may. Never know. Who's up next? Bill Houston celebrating his 74th birthday. Mr. Houston, a very happy birthday to you. He is celebrating in Girard.
All right. And Nikki Oliver in Joplin, happy birthday to you. Happy 93rd birthday going out to Raymond Houston, who's in Parsons, Kansas.
Hey, Peggy Strickland. Go ahead.
Peggy Strickland in Oswego. And we have one more that I think we skipped over.
You know, that's just my ADD when it kicks in. And I'm like, oh, hey, it's Peggy Strickland's birthday. Happy birthday, Peggy.
Yep.
I haven't seen Peggy in a long time. Also, too, it is not Shirley Thompson's birthday any longer.
No.
I'm still awaiting a picture from her grandiose son.
I do believe it is Jared Ludwig's 40th birthday, though. So if we missed your birthday, so sorry.
Yeah, we'll get Jared on.
We'll figure it out.
We'll get Jared on.
We'll figure it out.
Because we had multiple people in that picture, too.
He's on my list. We just don't have a picture.
Well, and I mean, some people are afraid of their 40th birthday. Like some people are like, I don't want to get to 40.
Is it the wrong day?
Well, I mean, I guess they want to get to 40, but you know what I'm saying? They're like, oh man.
Well, I don't want to not mention it if it is his birthday. I need a little more explanation.
I embraced 40. Poor Tanya, she's carrying on a conversation with somebody else, and I'm just over here talking to her.
I'm only getting half responses from the control room, so yeah.
Jared Ludwig, get the Tanya.
Is it actually? I just want to know: is it actually his birthday and we didn't get his picture, and we can apologize and say we're going to have it tomorrow?
Here's what I can tell you.
Or maybe it's not his birthday and he wasn't supposed to be on the list.
At one point in his life, Jared Ludwig in Edna, Kansas, is going to turn 40.
At some point.
How about that? He could be 40 right now for all I know. That's where you can send them into, birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to our website, KOAMNewsNow.com. Here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.